Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into New York and Company credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your New York and Company credit card, first, make sure to open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in c.community.net/New York and Company and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the sign in area where you can go ahead and enter your credentials. Click the sign in button at the top of the screen, and in the login area that appears on the right hand side of the screen, type in your username first. Once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. You can also double check your password by clicking on the show link or the eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. After you type in your credential, if you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click on this Remember Me box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared computer for your security. In case you don't remember your username or your password, select Forgot Username/Password link beneath the Sign In button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. If you don't have an online access yet for NY and Company, go ahead and click this Register Now button and register yourself. After you type in your credentials, click the Sign In button to get access to your New York and Company.com credit card. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.